Hello students, today we are learning geography lesson number 3, humidity and clouds. Today's learning objectives are condensation, densification and sublimation. Through some activities, we'll learn the above learning objectives and see. Take a water in a pressure cooker, take off the whistle of the pressure cooker. Now heat the cooker, take a lid with a handle. After the water starts boiling, hold the lid at a distance from where the steam is coming out. So here in this picture we can see the activities given here. Observe what happened. You must have observed that the water changed into vapor after it was heated. Second activity 3.6, figure 3.6. This vapor turns into water droplets when it touches the cooler lid. When we can see the water droplets deposit on the lid. Next activity, take a glass with a flat bottom, put some ice cube in it, keep the glass in a room for 2 to 3 minutes. What did you see? See in figure 3.6. So what we have observed, see here, in some time you will see droplets of water on the outer surface of the glass. When the water vapor in the air comes in the contact with the cold surface, condensation takes place. So here it is, condensation took place. These droplets form on the outer surface of the glass. In the first activity, the steam from the cooker cooled and condensed into water droplets. In the second activity, the vapor in the air condensed into water droplets. So we'll see what is condensation, densification and sublimation. The process of changing water vapor in the air into water is called condensation or a densification. So the another word for the condensation is a densification. Also the process of water vapor, that is a gas, changing into solid state, it is called sublimation. If the temperature of the air reduces, its vapor holding capacity also reduces. When relative humidity of the air becomes 100%, vapor starts condensing. At this time, the temperature of the air should be at a dew point. It implies that for the condensation, temperature should be low and relative humidity must be high. In the free environment, condensation of the vapor in the air occurs around fine particles, that is dust, salt, etc. in the air. Dew, frost and fog are the form of the condensation at a ground level, while the clouds are a form of a condensation at a higher elevation. See here the difference between smog and fog. There is a difference between a fog and a smog. Fog is made of vapor in the air only. Smog is a combination of a dust particle of a polluted air in the region and a fog. So students, here we stop today and will continue in a